always seems to pick up the phone over the Devon Bay because occasionally this character Steve Lewis.
Please hold while I try to connect you.
We're gonna try to call him.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for Steve Lewis. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Hey, Steve Lewis, you haven't responded to any of my emails. I asked you to send me and transfer over some cash so I can stop my storage locker in Las Vegas from getting sold and auctioned off on Wednesday. That was 2 weeks ago. Sent you another one last week. And I still haven't gotten a transfer of funds. I still can't eat. I'm still homeless. I can't get back to Las Vegas. You're refusing me access to allegedly the $700,000 that I have left. With what else do we have for you? Still haven't found out who the investment manager on my account is. Haven't found out who the committee is. Haven't found out who's making my purchasing decisions and why I can't get access to my funds. Um, Again, I need a transfer of cash tomorrow, today actually, but I need this by tomorrow so I can get my storage locker paid off so it doesn't go into storage. I also need you to stop fucking with me and get somebody else from the bank to call me back. I don't know what else to say. But you've been. I also need to get my tow truck, my car fixed and my car towed so it doesn't get towed off the street and get seized by the city. You've been fucking with me for 11 months on this. You promised that you would transfer me funds, and you haven't. You're a lying sack of shit, and I need you to call me back.